going to the site of power. We're gonna go talk. I don't think that we need to talk to Aurelio again, but we need to go that way. So onward we go. Once we complete the site of power, we should be able to move on to the next realm. Pretty exciting! I like the new update that they did for the site of powers. Before they were very, they were fine. But I like the way that they, at least the first one I did, the way that they changed it. It's a much cooler concept. Okay. Here we go. What's that? I already did it. All right. Need a horse. And travel faster. Oh, this way. Okay. Every time I've come over here, there's been a pig that has tried to take me out. Alright, I should be able to get in. Let me just make sure. Little... Yeah. That's all that's left. Nice. Take the things. Got bread and some broth. Bring it back. Saw a thing on the wall. There's a glyph. Here's another one. Should be another. Oh, I don't want to go down there. Ah, okay. I guess we have to. Looking for... Oh, there's another one. Here's another. Here's another. Oh, I think that was all. I hear something opening. How do I get in there? A chest! There we go, let's plug it in. Oh, that's cool. Whoa! What? How did I do that? Oh my god. Okay. Wait, I gotta do that again. That was cool. Okay, okay, that was total waste of bullets. I'm not gonna do that again. Okay. Kill this. Before it spawns more. No! I don't think we're fast enough. We were not. Ow, fucking asshole. Oops. Okay. There. Hey, party hardy down here. Where's Wilbur? Oh, hell no. Die. Oh my god, these guys are so mean. Did you kill Wilbur? Is that what happened? Did y'all kill Wilbur? He was my friend. I hear more spawning. But I can't find him. Where is he? Ah, punk. Ow. That hurt. It's not nice. Christ. Okay. It's okay. I'm scared. He hit me through a wall. That was not fair. Die. Unfair. I found him. Wilbur's injured. Hey. Thanks. Hey. Get rid of this. Watch him. Hey. 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 Okay. Repair all super quick. Ah! Rude. Run away. Oh man. You can't run while reloading. That sucks. Shoot. Okay. Oh my god. Alright. Come on over. Get up. More spawning downstairs. How do we get downstairs? That's how we get downstairs. Bombs. Bro. Uncool. Without falling off the cliff. There's two down here. Cool. So that one's done. Die. God, they're so annoying. Get me. Man, they jump far. Trying to be sneaky, huh? Oh my gosh. Get rid of this while we can. Please, please. Oh man, no, 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 no! How are so many of you still alive? No. Hey, I think we've got time. Come on. Please. Okay. And okay. I need my bombs. Okay. Before we go downstairs again, loot everything up here. Okay. Got another one of these guys. Anything else? Oh, this person's over here. Okay. We can do. How? I'm dead again. My guy. Don't even see anymore. Okay. All right. Now we just have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're shy of a button. Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you. I shouldn't miss anything else. Nope. Okay, reload. Down into the depths we go. Let's eat, fill up our food again. Okay. Oops, I wanted my... Oopsies. Got it, Wilbur. Okay. Bye. Take all of it. I missed. Break the wall. What? Ooh. Secret. Anything else cool up here? A chest. Nice. Alright, alright, alright. Another chest. Okay, hey, Clover, come here. Starting to get a lot of stuff. What can I give you? That? No. Does this move? Nope, I don't want that either. Give me that back. Give me that back. Give me those back. Give me that back. And that back. Okay, you can have that. And that, and that, and that. I think that covers the stuff that's heavy. Yep. Alright. Hang on to it, my friend. Okay, here we go. Bound to suffer till the bitter end. Ready? Yeet. Where am I? Whoa. Okay. Let's do it. Repair everything before we go in. Kill Azazel. Tenant. Azazel. Is he a bear? Oh god. You ready for this, Oliver? You have like no health. You're gonna be... Can I give you... Will you take this if I give this to you? What? Powers are not currently able to effectively use this item. Of course not. Alright, give it back. Okay, and then I'm gonna drink this because it says it raises my max HP. Oh my god. What's wrong with him? Run away! I missed. Don't let him bitch slap you. Hello. What? Ah. Oh my god. He's healing? Okay, okay. Run away. Oh no, I'm on fire. I'm on fire. Dang it, I ran through the fire. Ignore me. Oh man, man. No. Oopsies. You got me. Yep, run away. Can I chop down these trees right now so he can't heal? Nope. Okay, they're immune. Oh, and he's got me stuck in a corner. No, don't you dare, don't you dare. Go get him, go get him. Oh my god, I'm in him. Okay. Okay. Ah, oh god. Ah. Oh man, I ran right into it. Okay. Come back. Where is he going? Where is he? There is. Is he healing? Damn it. You're kidding me. Okay. Ow. Damn it, I keep getting stuck. It's much harder than the Jabberwock was. That's all I gotta say. Much harder. Where are you going? Get back here. Ah. Anyway. Oh my god. Let's, yeah. There's more trees. Of course there is. Dude just got infinite heals all over the place. This is great. This is great. I'm totally gonna win this eventually. Oh, and now it's immune, of course. Ah, dead end. Great. How the hell am I supposed to get... He trapped me. Come on, chop the tree. Kill him, kill him, kill him. Before he hits you, before he hits you. Okay, dear God. Ah. That was so obnoxious. What am I stuck on? Okay. Oh, now I'm overweight. Hey, come here. Trade. Man, that was tough. That was really tough. Oh, cool. I got all his fabled stuff. Okay, awaken the site of power. I am in the site of power. So this, oh, this is the last part. Unlocked Welkin's Reach Major Realm card. Nice, that's the next major realm. Activate mechanism. Cool! We did it! We did it! Good job, Wilbur. I knew I could kind of count on you. Any day now. Fabled meat, 5 fabled hide, and 5 fabled bone. Provides increased maximum stamina. I want that on my umbrella. Restores stamina after hitting tree with a melee weapon. Can my axe have that? I already have it on my axe. How do I already have it on my axe? Oh no, I don't. I'm just silly. Cool. And my portal is still not open. Nice. Whee! Gummy bears. Clarky, will you say hi? She was napping. Oh, cool. Okay, so now we are back at the Crossways. So that's Sylvan's Cradle, and now this is to activate Welkin's Reach or whatever. There we go. Boom! And this realm is level 30, so it's gonna be a little harder. But that's a-okay. Let that open up. Mysterious figure, meet the new face in the settlement. And I'm in the advance. Let's just go see who that is before we travel. Yep, let's go see who that is before we travel. It's gonna take a minute to open anyway. Which way is a settlement at? Must be down over there. I think that's it. Yeah, it is. Wee. Okay. Okay, new face in the settlement. All these people were here. This guy, he's new. I have no interest in entertaining your tedious questions. Oh, who is this now that steps before me with such mortal unease? They've been calling me a realm walker. Oh, ye mighty realm walker, you must be careful of your stalker. You are stars in darkness, shadows in the mist yet formed. I, on the contrary, have thousands of talasine in the monk ear I currently wear. Condensation, your natural state. Ballads captivate more thoroughly than tales of slowly rising to triumph. If you truly think yourself worthy, then you'd take in no issue with a test of your exploits. I do enjoy a good brain turner. Trial of riddles, then. To test the to answer my riddles, seek first my ballads contained within the lingering echoes of my presence. Fine, I shall seek. Shall I direct your search? A hint would be appreciated. 5 ballads await, 5 answers to sing, each one found within the challenge of these lands. Of which would you like to know? First ballad. Carved in the ancient magic lingers among a certain solemn sweetness. You'll find it crawling with the beasts, those not quite kin, though they do resemble man. Skillful the bard who shall hold it, it shall keep in memory. Warrior song only known to those who have proven true prowess. High above the breeze you may find it, a tale worthy of the climb. I'll be off. Farewell. Okay. Track. 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 Okay, so have to defeat bound, do different... Do I have any of them in here that are not done? Completed. They've all been completed. That one hasn't. Okay, we'll go do those. Dang it, I have so long to travel. Alright. Let's go. Oh, I should maybe go back to my house. Drop off my items. I have a lot of inventory. Yeah. Yep, we're gonna go back. And then we'll come back. Continue journey. What? Okay. Okay. Not spices, and this is sulfur. Okay, so while we're here... Ooh, what was that? Fish fingers? That's fun. Need to make some more ammunition. Wait. $135 versus 75. Oh yeah. Learn that for sure. Definitely want that. That's much better. Rugged wood axe. I want that. And mining pick, definitely. Okay, what do my throwing knives do currently? 60. Yeah, totally worth it. Okay. Anything else good to... Glamour station. This is how I make myself look cool. What? I don't know what those are. Doesn't matter. Come back later. Clothing. Classic. A lot of stuff to learn. Another bag would be nice. Hot pie. Coffee and crumpets. That's fun. Spring roll, cool. I feel like I should have my food crafting up here. No. We'll figure that out later. See what we need to make my upgraded everything, I guess. Oh, I need Wilbur, I need your inventory. Oh, did you put everything away? Good for you. Proud of you, man. Okay. We got the wood axe. Missing stock, wrap, and barrel. Barrel is here. I believe I need... Yep. The wrap. Oh. Oh, it's made at a tanning station. So... Oh, I do, okay. Let's make the action while I know I need it. And can I make the... station. Okay. Stock and oh, that's right. Did I just grab that? Oh my gosh. I did. Okay, so I just need the barrel. Yay! New gun. Nice. Oh, but it only is... only 4. Any water directly near me? Not really. Oh, down there. We can try out our new umbrella. Well, that's a lot farther than I was expecting it to be. I think it, like, travels better. Which is pretty cool. What is this stuff? Copper! I can finally get copper! this? Salt. Oh, goody. I want that. I need spices for cooking. This is 10. Okay. We keep going towards the lake, which is that way. Try out my new scythe thing. Yeah, I think so. The first day was pretty laggy, but I'm assuming that's because there was a lot of players on when the update first launched. But yeah, I haven't had any issues. I don't know. I'm assuming there is, but I haven't got that far. And originally, you had to play through the story before you got to. It was called The Watch. And so once you finished the story, then you made it there, and that's where other players were. So I don't think I'm even halfway through the story. So we'll find out. I don't know yet. I definitely haven't run into any players like in my current realms or anything. I know you can still like invite players to come play in your realm with you. Did I get it? Or did he? Oh man, I didn't catch the fish. That was stupid. Got him. It's raining. Teach a man to fish, but I'm a lady. All right, so that's going to conclude part 2 of day 3. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.